Hello everybody and welcome to this cool game I found. It's called Storm Chasers. Yeah. It simulates tornadoing. So we're gonna be playing Storm Chasers. We're gonna be chasing some tornadoes. Let's wait, no. Missions. Okay. Ooh. We got Twister. We got Twister. Okay, and we're here. Why is my sensitivity so high? That's much better. Okay. It looks like we got a supercell storm right here. And I have no car. Well, maybe I have a car. And nope, that's a truck. I don't want to be in a truck because I heard those things kind of suck. It's spinning. Get in! Let me get in. Whoa. Okay, wait. Settings. Right click. Right click. That's how you do your camera. How do I do this? Oh my god. Interact E. Okay. E. Why isn't it? Oh, we got a Twister. We got a Twister right here. It might be coming straight for me, but I don't care. I really don't. I'm probably gonna die. Not gonna lie. Yeah. Oh my god. Guys, listen to this audio. Oh my god, it's so loud. Oh my god. Beautiful. It's beautiful. Straight for me. The car. Picture score 19. Really? I need debris? Fine, I'll give you debris. Get over here. Get over here. If you want debris, I'll give you debris. Give me debris right now. I want it. Give me. Oh, shoot. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Shoot. Oh no. I think it's coming straight for the barn. Whoa. Come on, get the... EF0? Oh my god. It's so amazing. I love it. Oh my god. Just get debris already.
Come on, man, one last photo. You only need 3 more points.
Oh, and it's gone.
Stupid!
Dang it. Okay. Okay. Retry. Retry. Now, please give me good spawn. And we're back here. Great. Okay. So the tornado would spawn right here. And I see some rotation. I see you rotating. Come on, drop a twister. Drop it. Drop it. Okay, we have rain. Come on, form a twister. Ooh! I see it! I see it, it's right there. Wall cloud, wall cloud, wall cloud, wall cloud. You see that? You see that right there? That's a tornado. And there we go. Shoot, it's coming straight for me. Just keep on taking pictures. Yes! I did it! Oh my god, that's a beautiful twister. Beautiful! I love it. Should I get sucked up? So I can just get inside a tornado and nothing would happen? There. We did it, guys. We did it. Let's go. Okay. Score more than, want closer to less than. Okay. Let's see here. Is this the twister we're looking for? Looks nice, photogenic, tasty. We have a car? Yeah. We have a car? Before you came into the picture. No. Okay. Where's north? How do I get out? Ooh, it's probably in this town right here. It's behind me. Okay, it's behind me. There. Okay. Get me out. How do I get out? Okay. It's right behind me. Driving to Dakota. We are driving to Dakota. We're here. It's right there. Let me get out. How do I get out? Yes. Yes. There's a twister. Come on. Yes. Yes, debris. Shoot. Okay, nice. Driving, now we're running to a possibly deathly spot. Driving, and now we're running. Now we're here. Let's get close to this thing. Oh no. This is bad. Come on. Come on. 15 seconds left. Yes, I did it. I did it. Beautiful twister. Yes. Oh my, yes. Okay. Got the twister, took photos, and we walked within 100 feet. Okay, that is the tornado storm chaser thing. I hope to do this again. If we get 10 likes, then I will make a part 2 and maybe do it with a special guest. Alright, bye.